I'm going to show y'all today how to successfully complete a lace front. Since football season is over with, go KC, you will need, you know, the wig cap, Gorilla Glue, scissors, and the lining from a screen door. Okay, you take the Gorilla Glue, you lay it up under on your scalp. You bring the screen down to match the lining. You got it? See, when you have 3 or less braids, that tell you how expensive the hair is. Now here comes the final step, the process of adding it all together. There you have it. Another successful lace front. Get you some.